Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well guys, it looks like the 100,000k Bitcoin was just a fake out, guys. We didn't close a daily close above 100,000k, and we did have a flash crash all the way to $92,000 earlier today. But it's bounced back. Bitcoin has bounced back to 97,000. But I do believe it's just a bear trap, guys. Don't get shaken out. Don't let the market makers liquidate you. Don't let them shake you out of your position. Don't let them scare you out of the market. I do believe it's just a shakeout, just to get all the weak hands out of the market, all the fearful people, get them to sell out of their positions, and then they'll come in and buy your your favorite cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin at lower prices. And they'll make millions as soon as the parabolic bull run continues, guys. But yeah, guys, in this video, I'll be going over Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy, and got a couple of news I want to go over with you. But let's start off with the crypto bubbles. See what the top 100 cryptos are doing. Looks like it's a mixed bag today. There are some altcoins popping off, but most of them are just going sideways. We do have one of our favorites here in the channel, Jasmy. It's definitely popping off. It did get as high as 0.59, almost 6 cents. It is 19.6 up, 19.6% up for the day. We got also DYDX up 22.2% up for the day. Virtual is up 21.3% for the day. WLD 20.2% for the day. So we got some green bubbles out there, but most of the market is going sideways, guys. We do have SUI, another one of the channel's favorites. It's up 14.9% for the day. It's above $4, starting to make a move. But yeah, let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. See what Bitcoin is up to. Bitcoin at the time of recording, the price is $97,960. Like I said in the intro in the beginning, I guess $100,000 Bitcoin was just a fake out. We did get as high as $104,000 yesterday, but we quickly retraced all the way down to $92,000 just a few hours ago, and we have bounced back to $97,957 at the time of recording, guys. So like I said, we didn't close the daily close above $100,000, so we're back where we started. It looks like we're just still going sideways between 90,000 and 100k. We've been doing that, I believe, for the last like 12 days. Let's see how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days we've done it, and now we're in our 14th day of going sideways, consolidating for Bitcoin between 90,000 and 100,000. We did wake up to 104k, but it was just a fake out. And now I believe Bitcoin is doing a bear trap just to shake everybody out. In case you don't know what a bear trap is, it's basically when the market, it goes down, has a quick correction, but it quickly recovers. It's just to shake out all the bulls. It's like a quick fake out to the downside, but then it recovers quickly. And that's what basically happened. So it looks like we had a bull trap when it got to 104k, and then then it went back down to 92k. We had a bear trap, and now we're back right where we started, guys. So you could almost just it's like nothing happened yesterday. We're just back where we started. We had a quick wick to 104k, then a deep correction to 92k, and then we're right back at 97,981. So I believe Bitcoin is going to keep consolidating between 90k and 100k, until it decides to break out. I still do not think we're going to go below 90,000. I mean, it's just not the time to be bearish on Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. We are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So that's why I wouldn't be getting bearish on the market. Don't let the market maker shake you out. Don't be selling your favorite cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. Because history shows, the data shows that right now is the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I mean the chart still looks bullish. Still, we haven't broken down below 90K, and even if we were to dip a little bit below 90K, as long as we don't dip below the previous all-time high of 73,600, we'll still be in a bullish structure. Now, we were to dip below 73,600, then I would get very bearish, and I would start to worry, and probably the cycle is over. If for some weird reason that happened, guys. But I do not think that's going to happen. I don't even think we'll go below 90,000, honestly, because I've been studying the charts, for the last 3 years, going on 4 years, and that just doesn't happen. If that was to happen, then something is wrong with the cycle and the economy, and we're all going to be everything's going to go upside down. Something like drastically would have to happen for that to happen. Probably like the internet shuts down, we don't have no internet, or the U.S. gets bombed, and like we're like in a crazy war. But I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So definitely, I do believe I'm remaining bullish on the market. I don't believe Bitcoin's going to drop below 90K. I still think Bitcoin's going to consolidate, until it wants to. Probably in a few more days before it breaks to the upside. It's going to consolidate between 90K and 100K, and but I do still see higher prices here within a week for Bitcoin. I still think that we'll be somewhere between 120K and 140K within a week, guys. And if not a week, definitely by the end of the year, I do see Bitcoin being between 120K and 140K. But I am not getting bearish. I'm not going to fall into the bear trap. I'm going to remain bullish in the market, and I'm going to stay strong and have conviction on Bitcoin and my favorite cryptocurrencies, guys. So yeah, guys, don't let the market maker shake you out. We're right where we started, a couple days ago, which is a quick fake out to the upside of 104K, and then it's a quick bear trap to the downside 92K, and then we're right back where we started 2 days ago, guys, at 97,989. So just remain bullish in the market, guys. We will see higher prices soon, guys. Now let's see what the Bitcoin dominance is looking like, guys. Probably the dominance went down. Yep, just like I thought, the dominance went back down to 55.24%. Yesterday, when Bitcoin wicked up to 104K, it did get as high as 56.11%. But it's dropped back down to 55.24%. That's why some altcoins are starting to pop again. But I still think the true altcoin season, when all the altcoins are running, doing like 100% gains every day, it's gonna be when we stay below 55% and go lower. So under 55% and lower is when the true altcoin season is gonna start for me. And that's probably going to happen sometime by the end of the year, probably like a Christmas rally and a New Year's rally, and we'll probably be in altcoin season all of January, February, and maybe a little bit of March, guys. So so that's the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Looks like it dropped down since Bitcoin went back down from under 100K, guys. So so that's good for the altcoins. Now let's get right into the XRP update. See what XRP is doing. Looks like XRP is just going sideways still. It's at $2.33 at the time of recording. It has 1, 2, 3 days that it's been going sideways since the current local top of $2.90. Now, last time it took. Let's see. Let's start with the one. I made a high on November 16. Of $1.30, and then it went sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and on the 6th days it broke up into higher prices, and then in 2 days after that it made that local top at $1.63, and then it went sideways underneath $1.63 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days again, and on the 6th day again it broke into higher prices, and then it went up for 3, 4, 5 days, and then made a local top of $2.90. So far it's been going sideways for 6 days, and on the 6th day on the 6th day it breaks up into higher prices. So if the pattern repeats, so far we've been going 1, 2, 3. We're on the third day, third trading day, going sideways since it made the local top of $2.90. So maybe we have 3 more days going sideways. If the pattern is going to repeat, so far it's been taking 6 days of sideways, and then XRP breaks it to higher prices, and it makes a new high. So we're in the third trading day of going sideways for XRP since it made the local top of $2.90. So I probably see at least another 3 days of going sideways for XRP underneath $2.90, and then we'll probably on the 6th day or somewhere around there, we'll probably break into higher prices, higher than $2.90. My next price target for XRP is going to be $3, and I'm sure it'll break $3 quickly. If it breaks $2.90, my next price target once it breaks $2.90 and $3 is $3.50, which is the current all-time high for XRP, which it made on April of 2021, April 2021, guys. But I don't see it going lower than $2.15, which is the local low right now. It made like a double bottom, 215 and 216 here, just a couple of days ago and yesterday. So I don't see it going lower than 215 because that's already like a 25% 25% move for a 25% correction from the local top of 290. So that's pretty standard. That's that's basically what XRP does. It corrects about 20-25%, and then it consolidates, and then it gets ready for the next leg up. So I think it's just going to be going sideways somewhere between like 215 and like in 290. It'll be ranging between $2.15 and $2.90. Probably 3 more days, and then probably in 3 days we're gonna see XRP break to the upside. Probably break through $2.90, $3, and maybe tap $3.50, which is the previous all-time, the current all-time high for XRP, guys. There might be a little bit of resistance at 350 because all the people who bought the top, like in 2021, those people who bought that top at $3.50 are probably going to sell, because they've been holding their bag for a long time. So they'll probably be like, oh, I'm finally broke even, or I'm finally in profit a little bit, and they're going to want to sell because they've been under for so long that they're just going to be happy to be even or a little bit in profit. So yes, I do expect a little bit of resistance at $3.50 for XRP. But I do see higher prices here in 3 days. It'll probably break $2.90, and break $3, and probably tap 350 and maybe correct a little bit once it taps $3.50, guys. But yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP. Look at this. Look at all these. It's basically started its parabolic bull run in the presidential election. The USA presidential elections in November 5th. It's just been going parabolic. Hopefully you bought it under 50 cents or at 50 cents on November 5th or before. I was telling everybody, since August, September, October, in early November, I was telling everybody the time to buy was in August, September, and October. Your favorite cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy, you name it. I was telling everybody the time to buy is right now. If you would have seen my videos back then, I was telling everybody the time to buy is right now, all through August, September, and October, and early November. I was telling everybody the time to buy was back then. But if you're still late in the game, there's still a few gains, not as much gains as there was in August, September, and October. But at least you'll get something. There are some coins out there that are still low market cap. If you're late in the game, look for some low market cap coins. That haven't run yet, that have good fundamental projects, and you'll still reap the rewards in 2025. Some that come to mind is like Crow with Knife, XCN. Jasmy's already run up, but it's still got, I still think it'll get up to $1. It's at 5 cents, so you still got like a good 20x. Just depends how much you want to make. But yeah, look for coins, that haven't run yet, and that have low market caps, because all these that have run, there's still going to be gains, but not as much gains. Like I still think XRP could get to, like, somewhere between $15 to $30. If you invest in it now, I mean, you're only going to make like a 10x, average, give or take a little bit, or above, depending what the final price of XRP is. But I mean, if you're happy with the 10x, then it's still a good thing to buy XRP in your XLM type of coins. But if you want bigger gains than 10x from the price of today, then you gotta look into lower market cap coins, guys. But yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP. I still see going to at least somewhere between $15 and $30. My bearish case scenario for XRP is $15 now, and my bullish case scenario for XRP is $30, guys. So I do think XRP is going to be very bullish this cycle. I mean, we got Gary Gensler out of office. We got Donald Trump, who's a pro-president, coming into office. We got, like, a lot of Senate positions, Congress positions, and government House positions that are all pro-crypto. We got SEC Gary Gensler out of office by January 2025. And we got, what's his name? Let me see here. I always forget his name. Paul Atkins. Yeah. Donald Trump, he approved, he's basically picking Paul Atkins, who is a former SEC commissioner, Paul Atkins, to lead the SEC once Gary Gensler is out on January 2025. And everybody's happy. It looks like all the crypto industry executives approve of Donald Trump's pick, Paul Atkins, to lead the SEC, guys. So yeah, so everybody's happy. It's like let's see, like the Ripple executives are happy, the Coinbase executives are happy. So everybody's happy with Paul Atkins' pick, guys. And another bullish news for XRP, guys. I mean, not for for XRP, and is right here, guys. Yeah, another bullish news for XRP is that Worksport stock jumps 9% after adding BTC and XRP to treasury strategy. So it looks like Worksport, which is a stock, plans to dedicate up to 10% of its surplus operational cash to purchase Bitcoin and XRP. So let's see what they wrote here. It says, as Bitcoin and XRP continue to gain investor attention and acceptance as major asset classes, we believe they may serve as strong treasury reserve assets. Their inflation-resistant characteristics make them increasingly reliable stores of value. This is what Stephen Rossi, the CEO of Worksport said, guys. Worksport, yeah. So yeah, guys, a lot of bullish news for XRP, guys. So definitely remain bullish on XRP, guys. Don't let this Bitcoin bear trap shake you out. It's just the market maker shaking out the weak hands, all the fearful people, guys. It is the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And if you guys haven't been through a crypto or Bitcoin cycle, guys, during the parabolic bull run phase, there's a lot of volatility in Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies. I mean, it'll go up. Like Bitcoin will go up 10%, but then it'll crash 10%. It could go up, 50%, 100%, and then it'll go down 30 or 50%. Just a lot of volatility, guys. So don't let them shake you out, guys. So yeah, remain bullish on XRP, guys. Like I said, I do see XRP consolidating another 3 days, and then in 3 days, because that's what it's done in the history, like I already showed. Usually there's 6 days of consolidation, and then it goes up into higher prices. So we're into 3 days of consolidation from the last local top of $2.90. So I expect another 3 days of consolidation, and then I see higher prices in $2.90, guys. So remain bullish on XRP, guys. Now let's go right into the XLM update, guys. Let's see what XLM is doing. XLM, current price of XLM is 48 cents. So XLM, I guess, has just been going sideways. It wasn't fade by the the Bitcoin run up to 104K and the Bitcoin correction to 92K. This has been going sideways, doing its own thing. So yeah, a lot of altcoins, they have their own personality, guys. So you got to start learning the personality of altcoins. Looks like it's been going sideways now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. So it's been going sideways for 12 days. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow, the 13th day, it's gonna make a move. The markets, they move sometimes in 6, 7 days, or sometimes in 13, 14 days. So I think it's about time for XLM to start moving. I do not think it's going to go down. I pretty much think 41 cents is the local low. It's probably going to consolidate between 41 cents and 63 cents. For like another day or 2 or 3, whatever it decides to do. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know the exact days or the exact prices. I just kind of know by studying the chart probabilities, and by studying the charts, my analysis, my probabilities that XLM is probably going to consolidate another day or 2, and then it's probably going to move up to higher prices, guys. So don't miss out on XLM. It's getting ready to move to make a move up. It's definitely going to make a move up. I do not think it's going to make a move down lower than 41 cents, because right now it's not the time to be bearish, guys, on Bitcoin or your favorite cryptocurrencies. Don't be bearish on XLM because it has started its parabolic move just like XRP, and I do see higher prices for XLM here any day now, maybe another day, 2 or 3 tops, and it's probably going to surpass 63 cents. And then it's probably going to tap 73 cents, which is the previous all-time high of May 2021. And once it breaks through 73 cents, it's going to tap 93 cents, because 93 cents is the all-time high of XLM, which it made in December 2017 or early January 2018. That's when it was around 93 cents. So that's the previous all-time high for XLM, guys. 93 cents. So I do see XLM breaking 63 cents within a day or 2, 3 days tops, and then it'll probably be higher than 63 cents, guys. It'll probably be tapping 73 cents or 93 cents. It might break right through 73 cents, we'll see, or it might have a little bit of resistance at 73 cents. But if it does break through 73 cents, then I do see a little bit of resistance at 93 cents, because again, it's the current all-time high of XLM made in December 2017 cycle. And there's probably a lot of people who bought that top, and they're gonna want to be selling out because they've been holding for a long time, since 2017. So they'll definitely want to sell out, get their money back, or at least get a little bit of profit. So there'll probably be some resistance at 93 cents, guys. But I do see XLM being at least at $1 by the end of the year, guys. So remain bullish on XLM. I do see at least at $1 XLM by the end of the year of 2024, guys. So yep, remain bullish on XLM, guys, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025. Now let's get right into the Jasmy update, guys. Looks like Jasmy has officially started its parabolic bull run. It started it way before, since the November elections. But now it's starting to go parabolic. Look at this green candle. It's the biggest green candle we've had in a long time. Yesterday, on the trading day of December 5th, because here in the U.S. it's December 5th, but we're already on the 6th, on the December 6th trading day. But on the trading day for December 5th, Jasmy, it did a big move. It went from 0.39 cents all the way to 0.59. So it did 2 cents. It did a 2 cent move, or about like a 50% move, from basically 4 cents to 6 cents. And then it closed out at 0.58 for the day. So that's pretty good. It basically closed out right underneath 6 cents. So now we're in the 6-day trading sense on the December 7th trading day. Oh no, I'm sorry, we're in the December 6th trading day. And it has retraced all the way to 0.51. It did get as low as 4.8. So let's see what Jasmy does. I think it's starting a parabolic move. So I am very bullish on Jasmy. I own a lot of Jasmy, just to be transparent. All the coins I talk about, I own here on the channel, guys. I mean, I don't have any sponsors. Nobody pays me to talk about the coins. It's just all the ones that I'm bullish on. Everything I say in this channel is just my opinion. It's my thoughts. I am not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so, or because anybody says so, guys. You guys have to learn to do your own research, and and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But yeah, guys, I am very bullish on Jasmy, guys. If you guys don't know, Jasmy is considered like the Bitcoin of Japan. It's the only coin in Japan that has clarity. So there's a lot of bullish things for Jasmy. It has a lot of partners, really strong partners like Panasonic. Even Ripple is a rumor to be partners. Ripple XRP is rumored to be partnered with Jasmy. All the head executives, the head team executives for Jasmy are all ex-Sony corporation executives, and we know what they did with Sony. The Jasmy ex-Sony executives, they made Sony what it is today. And those Japanese ex-Sony executives, they know how to they know how to follow through with their product. They know how to market a product. They know how to make a product successful. That's what they did with Sony, and that's what I think they're going to do with Jasmy. And on top of that, I do believe they're working on a Sony PlayStation partnership for Jasmy. They basically want to use the Sony PlayStation CPUs when people are not using their Sony PlayStation. They want to use the power of the PlayStation CPU to power Jasmy blockchain. So that's why I'm very bullish on Jasmy. It's got a lot of things going. It's even into robotics. It's got, they got their feet dip into the medical field also. They got their they're getting their feet wet on the AI narrative too. So I mean, Jasmy is covering it all. I think Jasmy is going to be a staple name. Everybody's going to know Jasmy. It's like the #1 coin in Japan, and we know the Japanese. They're always ahead technology. I mean, they always had the best technology first. So I mean, that's what Jasmy. If you're looking for a long time hold, I do recommend Jasmy because I do believe even the executives, their goal is to make Jasmy $17. I don't think it's going to happen this cycle, but maybe next cycle it'll get to $17. But if you're looking to hold Jasmy for like 8 to 10 years, it's still a really good buy, because if you buy it right now at 5 cents when it's at $17, that's like a 200 300x. So I mean, it just depends if you're gonna sell your Jasmy in the top of the bull run. I think it could get to at least $1. I think Jasmy could at least get to $1 this cycle. So that's when I'll be selling my Jasmy, when it gets to $1. So that's still a 20x. I mean, if you're late in the game and you're okay with at least a 20x, Jasmy's still a good buy at 5 cents right now. You're almost guaranteed a 20x at the top of the bull run. I think it'll get to at least $1. But yeah, it's also a good long-term hold, because I mean, even the Jasmy executives, they want to make Jasmy get to at least $17. That's their goal. So definitely look into Jasmy, guys. There's a lot of things going for it. Strong team behind it. Like I already said, they're ex-Sony executives. They made Sony what it is today. And that's who's leading Jasmy, guys. So don't sleep on Jasmy, guys. I definitely love Jasmy. So yeah, guys, I do see Jasmy basically consolidating maybe a day or two, but it might start mooning. I mean, it's all up in the air. It did, but as long as we close above, like 4 cents, as long as we don't dip under 4.4, which is our current highs, 4.4, 4.5. As long as we keep closing, daily closes around 4.5, and we make that base, we don't want to go under 0.45. As long as we could close under, as long as we close above 4 cents and a half, 0.44, 0.45. As long as we close every day above 0.44 and 0.45, we'll make that base, and we'll just start consolidating and going to higher prices, guys. So remain bullish on Jasmy, guys. It's got a lot of things going for it, and I think it's going to get to at least $1 in this cycle, guys. The top of the bull run. All right, guys. So that's the Jasmy update. Also wanted to share this news with you guys. We know that Trump picked Paul Atkins as the new head of the SEC chair. that's going to take over Gary Gensler's spot in January 2025. But he also has now picked the crypto czar. It's like an AI and crypto czar. I guess he has picked ex PayPal COO David Sachs as an AI and crypto czar. It says like this: United States President-elect Donald Trump has named former PayPal operating chief and now podcaster David Sachs as his lead policy advisor on artificial intelligence and crypto. David O. Sachs will be the White House AI and crypto czar. Trump wrote this in December 6th. So this is what he wrote. He says, Trump posted, "I am pleased to announce that David O. Sachs will be the White House AI and crypto czar. In this important role, David will guide policy for the administration in artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency, two areas critical to the future of American competitiveness. David will focus on making America and clear global leaders in both areas. He will safeguard free speech online and steer us away from big tech bias and censorship. He will work on a legal framework so the crypto industry has the clarity it has been asking for and can thrive in the U.S. David will also lead the President Council of Advisors of Science and Technology." So there you go, guys. I guess Donald Trump is, he's keeping his promises. He's definitely pro crypto. He said, in the Bitcoin conference in 2024, we had in July 2024, that he was going to make the USA the number one crypto capital of the world. That we were going to have Bitcoin reserve currency. He said he was going to fire Gary Gensler on day one, and I guess Gary Gensler was intimidated, or he's basically quit and he's out. So he's keeping on that promises. He's got Paul Atkins, the new SEC chair. He's definitely pro crypto, and he seems to know a lot about digital assets and blockchain. Now we got a pro crypto AI and crypto czar, and then we have Elon Musk and Vivek Ramsey, the head leaders of Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, and they're both pro crypto. We have a lot of House and Senate and Congress positions. I think over 270 positions are all pro crypto. So it's looking like crypto. The U.S. Is going to be the crypto capital of the world. It's better late than never. So definitely, I do believe the governments of the world, they definitely want to push digital. They want to get rid of the paper money. They want everything to go digital. They want to tokenize everything. That's like the new wave of the future. So definitely don't miss out on cryptocurrency, because I believe it's going to be around for for a while, for the next 20, 30, 50 years until something new comes around. But we'll probably be be old by then or dead by then, depending on your age. So for now, let's invest in crypto. Right now, investing in crypto is like investing in the .com companies, like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft. In the early 1990s and early 2000s, all these cryptos that make it are they're gonna be around, and they're gonna be the next Amazons and next Apples and next Microsoft, big time companies. So I definitely think you can't go wrong with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, XRP, XLM. Those are I think are going to be top cryptos that are going to be around for a long time or forever. They're not going anywhere. They're going to be staple names. They're going to be like the next Amazons and Microsofts and Apples of the late 90s and 2000s. But I think there's going to be other winners too, like Jasmy Coin, Sui, you name it. There's a lot of them out there, guys. But I think definitely Jasmy Coin's going to be around for a long time. Sui's going to be around for a long time. But there's a lot of them out there, guys. But we don't know exactly who the winners are going to be. We'll find out in 5-10 years. When we'll see what happens, or maybe there'll be a bunch of winners. Maybe everybody's going to make money. But I know for sure in this bull run, 99% of of your favorite cryptocurrencies are going to make gains. So and we're all going to make money, guys. they're all, you know, most of the cryptocurrencies are already up from the bear market lows. So hopefully you invested in the bear market low, and took, in profits already, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, because I'll be covering. I'll make videos every day. I'm gonna make at least one live video every day. And stick around after the top of the bull run in the bear market, because in the bear market is when the all the money is really made, because you got to invest in the bear market, and then to have the gains, and to sell out in the top of the bull run. Like, I didn't have a channel yet, but if you would have been, but I was studying and following. But in this next bear market, follow my channel, because I'll be like, telling you guys which ones, which coins are the ones to buy when you're at the bear market. Like, imagine you would have bought, maybe you did, but if you didn't, imagine you would have bought Jasmy coin when it was at 0.0028. You'd be up like a 20x now. Or imagine you would have bought Solana at at $8.50, under $9. You'd be up, over a 20x right now too, guys. Solana is already 200 something. So like it's already like almost a 30x. 25x. So yeah, guys, I bought Solana when it was around $9 and something, like $9.50. I bought it. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me to the bull run. I'll let you guys know when to sell when I see bearish things coming. Like I've already told you, I think all the coins are going to rally. I mean, they're not going to go up in a straight line. There's going to be corrections, but they're all going to make higher prices. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are going to rally and make higher prices from today all the way into sometime in March of 2025, and then that's when I do see a big correction coming in March of 2025. I do see bearish things coming in then. But follow me in the channel, and I'll definitely guide you guys so you guys make the most profits you can, guys. And then after the bull run's over at the end of 2025, follow me all through 2026 too, because in the bear market, that's when the money is made. I'll be letting you guys know which coins to get into, which is because I do my research. I'll be letting you know what narratives are running, what's going to run the next bull run. That way, you guys get in at low prices and make easy 20, 30, 50, 100 X's, guys. All right, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be making more videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.